Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how much money I made from TikTok Creativity Program Beta in 2023, and most importantly, some of the key lessons that I learned. So watch till the end because I'm going to share those lessons with you. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. So really simple. Let me jump into this. Let's go to one of my TikTok accounts. This is one of the TikTok accounts that I have. Now, to access your TikTok Creativity Program Beta, you're going to click on these three bars and then Creator Tools. And then under Monetization, different programs. And here is the Creativity Program Beta. So let's click on this. And now let's see. So it looks like last 30 days, $87. That's not a lot. Last 6 months, 2000. Again, looks like it's declining. It's not the main focus or key focus of my TikTok content, but still, it pays pays for my coffee. If I click on all time, actually this specific account got monetized in August of last year. So all of this that you see is 2023's income or loss like 4 or 5 months. So we made in 2023 $2,221.34. That's a total income made from, and then you can see other last 38 days, what's the estimated money, qualified views, what's the RPM, and then for specific videos, I can see how much money I have made. So everything for TikTok Creativity Program, you can see. Now, let me share with you, because if you do want to make money from TikTok Creativity Program Beta, if you want to monetize it, here's some key lessons that I've learned. Number one is about the RPM. If you create short form content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Facebook Reels, TikTok Creativity Program Beta has the highest RPM. Look at this, the RPM is 47 cents. So this means for every, if I click on this dot, it'll show me some more information. RPM is revenue per mil, the amount of rewards creators can receive for every 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views, I get 47 cents. And this had, from the beginning, this had stayed at 50 cents plus minus 4 or 5 cents. Now, to compare, on YouTube, it's like 4 cents, it's like 3 cents. So it's nothing. So for short form content creators, um, TikTok Creativity Program Beta is probably the best way you can monetize your content. So that's like lesson number one. Lesson number two is about the video length. So to make money from TikTok Creativity Program Beta, your videos need to be over 1 minute. So if you make content that's short 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, or we used to make the looping content, no more. Don't do it, especially if you want to monetize. So most of your content, if you want to monetize, it needs to be over 1 minute. So what I do is, sometimes for some people you could change your content strategy, but let's say if you want to keep it less than 60 seconds to repurpose on other platforms, well, you can add few seconds at the end of your video on TikTok and then remove it and use it on other short form platforms. So that's one idea that you can use. But you'll see, so this video had 1.3 million views, this video had 1.1 million views. Both of these videos were over, let's see if I'm able to, actually won't show me here, but if I look at more data, let's see if I'm able to see. So this video is 1 minute and 10 seconds. So what I've done is, typically I target for a minute plus 5 seconds, and then if it goes higher than that, fine. But most of my target is to make videos that are over 1 minute by plus like 5 seconds or more. So if you want to make a video, make money from TikTok, make videos that are 1 minute plus, because otherwise you are not gonna get paid. There are other ways to get paid on TikTok. By the way, TikTok shops, becoming affiliate and monetizing it, that's like a really good opportunity. Is if you want to learn more about that, let me know in the comments and I can create a separate video for you. Number three, this is super important, SEO. And yes, I'm not talking about Google SEO, I'm not talking about blogs, I'm talking about doing SEO on TikTok if you want to make more money from TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Now, before I say anything, I want to show you something. This video right here, it had 1.1 million views. Let's look at more data. And now scroll down. You can see, are you ready for this? So traffic sources, look at the highest traffic source. This video actually made me the most money in 2023. 88% of the traffic came from search, meaning people who are searching on TikTok. When people think of SEO, they think about YouTube or Google or blogs, but that's about to change. That has actually already changed. We're late. So do think about SEO, meaning using the right keywords when you post videos. For example, for this video here, I can see people emoji tutorial. That's the keyword that's driving me a lot of traffic. I can click on this and you'll notice my video might be one of the highest videos. Here you go, right? Looks like there are other people who've kind of like overtaken the place, but I know my video used to be right here, the first one. Now it's like fourth or fifth, but still on the first page with like one scroll. So SEO has become extremely important. If you want to monetize your TikTok, I always say the platform monetization should not be the only or the main focus, but if you do want to monetize it, these three things, these three lessons will help you big time in 2024. Any questions about TikTok or Creativity Program Beta, let me know in the comments. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.